Doveshead here, and today I'm going to be back with another video. But today I'm going to be, I don't know, I think I was going to take down one of these. I think I was going to take down one of these bell towers. So I'm going to bring you as well for the journey. I've done 3 videos a day. Every day it's going to be something new. Unless you want me to do like stuff on Far Cry, then I can. But every day it's going to be something new, like something different. Like there'll be a couple of videos of something different every single day. But there might only be 2 because I've got school in the morning. So yeah. I'm going to explain the rotor now. Right, so in the mornings I'm gonna wake up, and if I've got time I may do a quick update on the channel, or a quick video, I don't know. I could do a quick video. I could do a video at school. I could do a video at school. But yeah. Oh, hold on. I'm just gonna do this. Because when you come over here, and then you can loot these bodies. So I think I've got, I've got max. So guys, yeah, let me just explain a bit more. So in the mornings, I might either do a video. I might take my tablet to school with me and do a video at school with my mates, and do a video of introducing everyone, or I might do a video of in the morning just showing all my games off, showing the games that I have, and telling you why is it going at this speed. Oh god, oh god. Yeah, so I'm going to be doing a video in the morning and a video at night, or a video in the morning and 2 videos at night. Depends if I have time. So yeah guys, I'm probably going to be doing, I don't really know, the videos that I'm going to be trying to do are going to be different. I won't I don't know, but it's going to change every day. Each game is going to change every day. It's going to be like a rotor. It's going to change. Yeah, it's going to keep changing. 3 videos a day, a Mass Effect video every single day, of maybe a multiplayer game, or a bit more of the story mode. I don't know if I'm going to be doing the story mode because it's hard to get videos of that. But multiplayer will be fine. I'll just need to cut it into 2 videos. So yeah. Also, I'm going to be doing a video on Clash Royale soon. I'm going to be on Clash Royale. I'm going to be opening a couple of cases. I'm going to be opening quite a couple of them cases that you can get. Chests. It's going to be silver chests. And yeah, I'm in the I'm about halfway done. I'm just unlocking or opening the cases that I've got right now. I'm just in the middle of doing that. Video, I might put a Clash Royale video tomorrow, and then maybe might put a Blue Side Offense Battles video up. I don't know. But guys, guess what? We are here. So I've got to find a way up first. So yeah, I've got to find a way. Here we go, there's a way up here. Blow that car up. Alright. So what am I doing here? Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh god, 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 oh god. No, no. Oh, I'm dead. Alright guys, so I'm going to pause it and then play it when I get back to where I am. Alright guys, so I'm here. I just need to get round to like the main bit. There it is. There's one. Found a body. There's two. Oh god. Got him. Alright, let's go. Whoa, a snake! Okay, I'm not. That was very stupid. There is a snake. Oh, ugh. Climb! No! Climb. There we go. So guys, we're gonna get to the top of this tower. Where do we go now? Obviously not that way. Maybe, oh god. Up here, and then... Right, we are at the, oh my god, I nearly just fell off. So, and, yes, right guys, we've got this. So today I've done 3 different videos in Far Cry and a Mass Effect video, which was my case opening, which was in fact, I might do one of them every week, I'm not sure. Cost a lot of money to do. Oh wow. Right, okay. Guys. Guys, so thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.